CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at the Kokobots booth. I've got Alex here. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing.
Kokobots, we do AMRs, that's autonomous mobile robot, and we do carpet cleaning, so indoor and outdoor. And here a steam cleaning carpet robot, which is unique to the industry.
Okay.
There's no other robot like it. And then we also have indoor sweeper robot. We also have indoor and outdoor sweeper and scrubber robot. So
That's interesting.
it sweeps the floor and also scrubs the floor.
Okay. What kind of a range should we expect out of this?
I believe it does 2,000 meters an hour.
Wow. You said that the one on the outside, that one is work indoors and outdoors.
We actually are coming out with a smaller one that's just for indoors.
Yeah.
That's this one is for indoors and outdoors. It's actually built for warehouses. So you can see the dimensions of it. It won't allow you to go to it. So that's why we're getting the smaller one. This one's mostly for industrial use. We also use it for sidewalks, yards.
What kind of materials can this handle? For example, can I handle saws, leaves? Can they handle that?
I have a bunch of dirt. I have a bunch of water bottles, newspaper, hamburgers. I mean, there's everything up front. It's a pretty large bin.
That's actually incredible. I mean, just being able to pick up the leaves makes me want to get one for myself. What's the retail price for that?
What's about $14,000.
That's actually not bad.
So this unit has a base unit here. You can change the front part out so it has different attachments. This one's a lawnmower attachment.
Oh, okay.
For doing the snow and the ice, but it also does food delivery, cleaning. It also does lawn leaf blowing as well.
Wow.
And they also have one prototype to also walk your dog in the night.
I love that. So a modular machine. I don't even know what to call this. I've never seen anything quite like that. Tell me what this little orb is there on the top.
That's the LiDAR sensor. So it's a 3D LiDAR. It's the same type of sensor that's used by Waymo's autonomous cars.
Sure, right.
More accurate than the 3D LiDAR.
Of course. Okay, so I didn't know that.
This is a sweeper unit, indoor sweeper unit. It sweeps the floor and it collects all of the stuff that was debris that it sweeps.
This has been Alex. This has been an excellent interview. I do appreciate it, and I really actually want one of those things. So hopefully I'll get one in the near future. You have an excellent day.
Thank you.